Alright, hello there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Daddy's Studio. And it's me again, Daddy, at your service. So, right now, we are editing Boots from Dora. But before we proceed, I just would like to greet you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. And by the way, I also would like to try something new on this channel. Now, I'm heavily inspired by one of my idols here on YouTube in editing some photos and drawings. So, if you have drawings that you wanted to be edited and featured on this channel, do submit it and send it to dastudiosubmissions at gmail.com. And I'll do my best to edit it. And if you're new to this channel, again, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like if you like the video. So let's not waste time anymore. Let's do this. Okay guys, welcome back to the magical world of Photoshop. Okay, so first and foremost, we're gonna place boots in the canvas. Yeah, something like this. Now we will be using this cat's fur as Boots' body, as monkeys do have some fur, right? Maybe we could first use this as Boots' body. So we're gonna place this fur around here, adjust its size a bit. Let's use some warp, something like that. There you go. Okay, let's start to paint. Now for his arms, we're gonna be using the same thing all over again. Just duplicate it, remove the mask, and place it on his arms. Paint something here. There you go. Okay, this looks a bit weird, but just the process. Okay, there you go, boys and girls. That's Boots. Now maybe we're gonna do the hands first. All right, now I found this dino claws and we are placing this as Boots' hand, something like that. Okay, we're gonna do the same with the other hand, guys. Now we're placing this chimpanzee's face onto Boots. Put it somewhere right here, maybe. That looks creepy. Yeah, let's give this a try. Maybe this will work out. I don't know. Let's paint all over the place. Something like this. I'm just gonna be drawing something for the mouth. There, something like that. And fill this with black. We're gonna make the mouth, the size of the mouth, much bigger, something like that, so it would be a bit scarier, but not really sure yet. Let's see. Look at that piece of Let's blend this as much as we can. Now I think this will work, but if not, I'm gonna change this later on. But right now, let's just move on to Boots' boots. Now I found this boot. Now we need to warp as well this one. And for the other one, let's just duplicate it and place it on the right foot. Maybe something like this. I'm really not sure about the outcome of this one because it really looks ugly as hell. But we're gonna look into that later. Boots' color is a bit like a baby blue, so we're gonna do that right now. Something like that, right? Now we need to apply this to every part of Boots' body. Okay, so from this moment on, this is just gonna be a speed art, as I'm just gonna be applying some shadows onto Boots and finishing touches, and as well as create the environment. So I'll see you in a bit. there you go, boys and girls, and that is how I edited Boots from Dora the Explorer. And if you like the video, do smash that like button, and as well as subscribe to the channel for more videos. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it, and I hope to see you on the next video. Okay, so remember, who's your daddy now? Peace.